At the southernmost edge of Texas, where the Rio Grande River empties into the vast Gulf of Mexico, a new chapter in human exploration is unfolding. Here, in the windswept flats of Boca Chica, Starbase is rising, a sprawling complex that serves as a launch site, a cutting-edge factory, and a research center, all seamlessly integrated into one ambitious vision. Not long ago, this was a quiet, almost forgotten stretch of coastline, home to wildlife and the gentle sound of waves. Today it's been transformed into the beating heart of SpaceX's boldest project yet, Starship, a vehicle designed to change the course of history. Within the hangars and assembly bays, teams of engineers and technicians work around the clock, piecing together the largest and most powerful rocket ever conceived. Their goal is nothing short of revolutionary: to create a fully reusable spacecraft capable of rapid turnaround and frequent flights, making space more accessible than ever before. When fully stacked, Starship and its super-heavy booster soar over 120 meters into the sky, taller than the Statue of Liberty and dwarfing anything that's come before. This towering rocket is designed to make space travel as routine and reliable as commercial air travel, opening the door to new possibilities for exploration and industry. At the helm of this audacious endeavor is Elon Musk, whose vision is as clear as it is ambitious: to secure humanity's future by making us a multiplanetary species, ensuring that life can thrive beyond the confines of Earth. Starship is engineered to carry up to 100 people at a time, with a spacious interior designed for long-duration journeys. Imagine families, scientists, and explorers traveling together, venturing farther than any generation before them. And it's not just about people. Starship can haul over 100 tons of cargo in a single flight. From scientific equipment and satellites to habitats and supplies, it's built to deliver the tools needed to build new worlds. Its destinations are as ambitious as its design: the Moon, Mars, and eventually, worlds even farther away. Starship is the vessel that could turn science fiction into reality, carrying humanity to new frontiers. The pace at Starbase is relentless. Every day brings new challenges and new breakthroughs. The process is fast-paced and iterative: build, test, fly, learn, and improve. Each prototype, each test flight, is a lesson that brings us closer to the stars. With every launch, every plume of fire and thunder, Starbase inches closer to making interplanetary travel not just a dream, but a reality within our lifetimes. What's happening here is about more than rockets and technology. It's about forging a new path for humanity, a path that leads us beyond our home planet into the vast, uncharted expanse of the cosmos. Starbase is not just a gateway to space, it's a gateway to our future. The road to a fully reusable interplanetary rocket has been marked by both triumphs and setbacks. SpaceX's Starship program, launched with the bold vision of making humanity multiplanetary, has become a symbol of relentless innovation and ambition. From the very first prototype rolled out onto the Texas launch pad, every step has been a leap into the unknown, with engineers and technicians working tirelessly to solve unprecedented challenges. By late 2025, SpaceX had flown 10 full-stack Starship tests, each one pushing boundaries and yielding vital data. These launches weren't just about reaching space, they were about learning, adapting, and evolving with every attempt. Each test flight brought new insights, from the behavior of the massive Super Heavy booster to the performance of Starship's heat shield during re-entry. Early flights focused on launch and stage separation. Later ones achieved complex maneuvers and even orbital payload deployment. The progression was clear. What began as cautious hops soon became daring ascents, with Starship executing intricate in-flight maneuvers and demonstrating the ability to deliver payloads to orbit, an essential step for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Failures, like upper stage losses, are treated as learning opportunities, driving rapid improvements. Each setback, whether a fiery explosion or a missed landing, was met with determination and a commitment to iterate quickly. SpaceX's culture of embracing failure as a teacher has allowed the team to make rapid progress where others might have stalled. The 10th flight in August 2025 saw Starship deploy a payload in orbit, a major milestone. This achievement marked the transition from experimental flights to operational capability, proving that Starship could not only survive the rigors of launch and re-entry, but also fulfill its promise as a next-generation launch vehicle. Each test refines everything from engine ignition to hot staging and re-entry, with data meticulously analyzed. Engineers pore over every detail, using advanced simulations and real-world telemetry to improve reliability and performance. The lessons learned from each mission feed directly into the next, creating a feedback loop of constant improvement. This relentless cycle of building, flying, and fixing has accelerated Starship's development at an unprecedented pace. The assembly lines in SpaceX's facilities are a testament to this drive, with new prototypes rolling out regularly, each one more advanced than the last. SpaceX's approach is turning ambitious concepts into real hardware soaring through the sky. With every launch, the dream of interplanetary travel comes closer to reality, inspiring a new generation of engineers, scientists, and explorers to reach for the stars. With the successful completion of version 2's ambitious test campaign, SpaceX is now setting its sights even higher. The lessons learned from countless launches, landings, and engineering breakthroughs have paved the way for the next evolution in spaceflight technology. Enter Starship version 3, a comprehensive redesign that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. This new iteration is not just an upgrade, but a leap forward, engineered for greater power, efficiency, and reliability. Every aspect of the rocket has been reimagined, from its core structure to its advanced systems, to meet the demands of future missions. At the heart of version 3 are the new Raptor 3 engines. These engines are not only simpler and more reliable, but also deliver significantly more thrust. This means Starship can now carry over 100 tons to low Earth orbit, opening up new possibilities for cargo, crew, and deep space exploration. Structural upgrades are a key focus. The rocket's frame is now lighter yet stronger, thanks to new materials and manufacturing techniques. This maximizes payload capacity and overall performance. SpaceX has also prioritized rapid reusability, with improved heat shields to withstand multiple re-entries, and robust landing legs for safer, more reliable landings. One of the most innovative features is the ability for Starship to be caught by the launch tower's massive arms, allowing for incredibly fast turnaround between flights. This approach could revolutionize how quickly rockets are refurbished and relaunched. With version 3, Starship is transitioning from an experimental platform to a fully operational vehicle. It's now ready to support a wide range of missions, from deploying Starlink satellites to supporting NASA's Artemis program, and even preparing for the first human journeys to Mars. The upcoming inaugural flight of version 3 will be a crucial milestone. This test will validate all the new systems and set the stage for a future where frequent, reliable launches become routine. Starship version 3 is more than just a rocket. It's the vehicle designed to bridge Earth and other worlds, making interplanetary travel a reality for humanity's next giant leap. SpaceX's ultimate goal is Mars, and the roadmap is coming into focus as Starship matures. Launch windows to Mars open every 26 months, dictating mission timing. The first step, uncrewed starships delivering cargo and testing landings, possibly as soon as late 2026. Early missions will stockpile resources, solar panels, life support, and equipment for making propellant on Mars. Human missions could follow as early as 2029 or 2031, depending on robotic mission success. The first crew will establish a foothold, setting up habitats and preparing for future settlers. Musk's vision is a self-sustaining city on Mars within 25-30 years, requiring hundreds or thousands of Starship launches. Each successful test brings this audacious dream closer to reality. In May 2025, the area around SpaceX's launch site officially became the city of Starbase, Texas. This move gives SpaceX greater control over development, infrastructure, and regulations, essential for rapid progress. Starbase is now a company town, home to SpaceX employees and families, united by a shared mission. The city's autonomy streamlines operations and supports the Mars colonization plan. The first city of the multiplanetary era is being built on Earth, laying the groundwork for humanity's leap to another world. The path to Mars is filled with technical and regulatory hurdles. Perfecting Starship's heat shield for rapid, repeated re-entry is a major challenge, as is catching the super heavy booster with the launch tower's chopsticks. These feats are essential for rapid reusability and high launch frequency. Regulatory challenges are just as significant. Each flight requires FAA approval, and environmental concerns are under scrutiny. Incidents like the June 2025 explosion prompt investigations and can delay progress. SpaceX must balance innovation with safety and environmental stewardship to maintain its license to operate. As launch cadence increases, so does regulatory and public attention. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for Starship's future. While Starbase is the heart of Starship's development, SpaceX is expanding to Florida's Space Coast for greater flexibility and launch cadence. Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center is being outfitted for Starship, with regulatory approvals underway. 2 launch sites mean redundancy, weather flexibility, and support for NASA's Artemis missions. Florida's busy airspace and established launch corridors present new logistical challenges. The FAA has expanded hazard areas to accommodate Starship's trajectories. Falcon 9 launches from Florida continue to provide operational experience and financial support. Activating a Florida Starship site will mark a new era, next-generation rockets launching alongside their predecessors. Every test, every launch serves one vision: building a self-sustaining city on Mars. Starship is the essential tool, an interplanetary ship to transport people and cargo across millions of miles. Building a Martian city means creating industry, power, food, and life support from scratch. Musk estimates 1 million tons of cargo and thousands of Starship flights will be needed. The timeline is measured in decades, with each Mars transfer window bringing new waves of settlers and supplies. The goal: a city that can survive and thrive without Earth, truly self-sustaining. Today's Starbase launches are the first steps on this journey. SpaceX is turning science fiction into reality, pushing humanity toward its future among the stars.